American Language Course Placement Test. Form 39. Part 1, Listening. Directions for items 1 to 56. You will hear statements or questions on the tape. Select the best answer and mark your answer sheet A, B, C, or D. Do not write on the test booklet. 1. John had trouble in class today. What did he have? 2. Peter and I have been conversing since 10 o'clock. What have we been doing? 3. Donald brought his son a dog. What did Donald do? 4. How much change do you have? 5. The instructor placed the book on the table. 6. Carl said, I need to buy a pair of new shoes, but I don't have the time. 7. Tom got on the wrong bus yesterday. Jim did too. 8. Jones thinks English is a difficult language. 9. I like both of these cars. How many cars do I like? 10. The motor sometimes gets overheated. 11. The water in this lake often freezes. 12. The cable was concealed in back of the engine. Where was the cable hidden? 13. Each of the boys has a separate room. What does each boy have? "14. The instructor said, 'The interior of the house was very beautiful.' What part of the house was she talking about?" "15. Water was transformed into steam. What happened to the water?" "16. Who can best answer a legal question?" "17. Mr. Long said, 'I haven't seen Tom since the day before yesterday.' When was the last time that Mr. Long saw Tom?" "18. Do you have anything cheaper?" "19. Jane and Mary are Mr. Cooper's children." "20. The gun does not work." "21. That street is very straight." "22. The highways in some states are very narrow." "23. The men listened to the teacher." "24. There's a big difference between Tom and Dick." "25. The paper has a blue border." "26. The car is covered with dirt." 27. The cat must stay out. 28. His tape recorder is in very bad shape. 29. Can you start a fire with 2 stones? 30. The men were walking north and then turned left. Which way were they going then? 31. What is the opposite of a tailwind? 32. I paid for my car in advance of delivery. When did I pay for it? 33. My brother isn't sick. 34. Adam prefers a red car. 35. The instructor will distribute the books to the students. 36. He is the author of these books. 37. He arranged the trip. 38. The weather report indicates no precipitation for today. 39. Some people like to argue all the time. 40. The doctor told Tom to quit eating sweets. 41. Joseph canceled his appointment. 42. The student refrains from smoking when he goes to the library. 43. The instructor wrote a problem on the chalkboard and asked a student to work it out. 44. I hear that Charlie will be on his feet again soon. 45. Mr. Smith is going to get a job as an instructor. 46. John said that Helen might come to visit him. What did John say? 47. The weather report says we should expect hail. What should we expect? 48. The hotel manager said that Jim would operate the elevator today. What will Jim do? 49. The woman told her daughter to spread out the tablecloth on the table. What was the daughter told to do with the tablecloth? 50. The captain crossed out my name on the graduation list. What did he do? 51. Tom will lend you some money. 52. The attack was repelled. 53. Although this saw is new, it's dull. 54. Tom coiled the wire before he put it away. 55. Harold approached the woman. 56. After a while, Judy realized the mistake. 'Directions for items 57 to 66. You will hear conversations or persons giving information. Select the best answer and mark your answer sheet A, B, C, or D. 57.
I hear that Lieutenant Winters is joining you.
Yes. What kind of person do you think he is?
What does the man want to know about Lieutenant Winters? 58.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a pilot in the Air Force. What is your job?
I'm a professor at the university.
What are they discussing? 59.
Why do you want to buy that chair?
Because it's comfortable.
Why does the woman want to buy the chair? 60.
Is the machine ready to run?
Almost. It still needs fuel.
What does the machine need? 61.
Who is going to serve the food?
Robert is.
What is Robert going to do? 62.
Are you making another cake?
Yes, but I'm going to use butter instead of margarine this time.
What will the woman use in the cake? 63.
Do you agree with Philip now?
No, but he has my respect.
What is the woman saying about Philip? 64.
What do you want to know?
The purpose of all this.
What does the woman want to know? 65.
May I help you?
Yes, I'd like an explanation for this letter.
What does the woman want? 66.
Do you want some help?
Yes. Will you please catalog these books so we can find what we want?
What did the man ask the woman to do? This is the end of the listening part of the test.